Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to see how to come up with a graphic using an online tool called Pixlr. So this is an interface for Pixlr. When you open it, pixlr.com, you'll be required to sign up an account if you don't have one. If you have one, you can log in and you start away. So for my case, I'm going to log in because I already have an account. When you tap there, to ask you whether you want to continue with Google, with Facebook, Apple, or use email. So for my case, I'm going to continue with Google. So after tapping continue with Google, you'll be required to select your email, which is already logged in. If you want to use another email account, you can select that option as well. So you tap on the email you want to continue with. So here I am. I'm already logged in. So when you reach there, there are different options. So when you scroll down here, there is Pixlr Editor, which is for editing photos. Then we have Pixlr Express, which is AI photo editor. We have Pixlr Designer. We have Remove BG, AI background erase, and then you have Batch Editor. So for this case, we are going to use Pixlr Designer, which is used to design graphics. Okay, so when you tap there, we have different options here. There is photo collage maker if you want to come up with a photo collage. Then there is product shot. Then you have templates, among other options. So again, when you scroll down, we have different templates here that you can use to design graphics. So for it, it has already designed templates whereby it makes it easier for you to come up with a graphic. So you just come and then edit these templates, and then you come up with, you put in what you want. So let's look at the templates that we have here. When you tap there on templates, here on the left side, we have different options. There is photo collage maker, TikTok video, Instagram post. So it depends on what you want to design. So it is the template that you select. We have flyers, we have poster, voucher, invitation, cards, postcard landscape, postcard, portrait, business card. There are very many options. So your role is to select what you want to come up with, and then you edit that. For example, we have a poster. Let's see what is in posters. So posters are here. Hope you can see them. So they are here. You can scroll down and see what will bring your message out better. So they are here, very many of them. So you can select any of these and then you edit it and you come up with what you want. For example, if I want to use this, I'll tap on it and then tap use template. So to be loading, here we are. So you start with one by one. For example, let's begin with this text, and then Let's call it coffee farming expo. So let's assume that uh, we want to make a poster for coffee farming expo. So we shall design our template, okay, this way. So this is the text. After putting in what you want, for example, coffee farming expo, you can go on and design your text. For example, you can change the font type. You have different options here. You can select any font type of your choice. For example, I selected that. Then you have transform. If you want to rotate what, you can go on and change your text. Then another option, there is fill. If you want to change the color of your text, you have different options for colors there. Then there is size. You can increase or reduce on the size. From here, we have line spacing, letter spacing. So you can go on and design your text the way you want. So this is the title. Let's also put in other options here. For example, our title is Coffee Farming Expo. We can say here, come and learn modern ways of growing coffee. Okay, let's give it another font type. This is it. Let's increase on its size as well. Okay, that way. Okay, so the next item, we are going to put in photos for coffee. So we are going to remove this. Okay, so we are going to, for example, if you have an image that you want to use as a logo, you can put it here. So here we have a set image. When you tap on it, it will take you to your photos. For example, if you have a logo you want to put there, you tap on it, you look for it and tap on it, and then you bring it. For example, we shall use that as our logo. Okay, so let's put in another frame, for example that, and then bring another image for coffee, tap on it, and then bring it here. So let's put it this side, like there. Okay, so let's continue and put in the information about our expo. Okay, this is the text box. So we are going to put in the information about the expo. For example, venue. Let's say Sheraton Gardens. Date. let's say April 30th 2024, time 9:00 a.m. East African time. So let's edit these words as well. Font type, let's change our font type. Let's look for another font type. Let's give it Arial. Let's give it Arial. Then the size, let's reduce it to this, and then let's increase on line spacing. Yes, line spacing up to that. Okay. Now let's position it here. Let's put it somewhere here. So let's edit this as well for more information. For more information, contact plus 256 786 03603. So this is the contact. Okay, let's change the background. Let's put in another color. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is how we can come up with graphics using Pixlr. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed. So we are going to add another. So we wanted to occupy this empty space. Let's remove this. Let's look for another shape in circular form like this, and then minimize on its size this way. Okay, so after this we are going to bring an image, add image, and then we bring this and then put it there. So we're going to put it there. So we're going to put our image somewhere there. So after designing your graphic, if you want to save, you can save it here. So if you're okay with the background color is here. This is our background color. If you're okay with it, you can remain with that. Okay, so this is it. And if you are done with editing or designing your graphic, you can save it as an image. So when you tap on save, we have different options here. Like you have PNG, which is here. We have JPEG, we have PNG, we have WebP, and then you have PXZ. So it depends on which format you want to save in. For example, if you want PNG, you tap on it and then save the image. Let's call it coffee farming expo, and then you save. Okay, then another option, we have a document. If you want to save it as PDF, the option is also there. You save as PDF, coffee farming expo, and then you save your document. So that's how we can come up with a graphic in Pixlr. So another thing I want us to look at with Pixlr is the AI image generator. You can generate AI images using Pixlr. Okay, so here is where you type the words. For example, what you want to be in your image. Let's say coffee plantation with people harvesting. So if you want to see people harvesting coffee in a big plantation, you can type those words and then you tap on generate. So give it some time to generate those images. It gives you 4 options. You'll be given 4 options of those images, and then you'll be selecting what works better for you. One of them is here, another one is here, another one is here, another one is here. So you can tap on one. I hope you can see. Another image is here, another one is here. So these are the AI generated images. If you want to edit, you can tap on edit image, and then you do what? You edit your image. So this is it. You may be wanting to add in some, let's say, some text. So tap on text box, and then it will come here, and then you put in the text you want. Okay, it's a Kilimo project, Kilimo coffee project. Okay, so you come here, down here. If you want to change the text, font type, font color, all the options are there. So you can move it where you want it to be, like the font color you can change. You can change the font color, give it another color. And tap OK. Then another thing, you can change the background. Like the background, you can give it a different background, like that. After that, you can save your image. You can save it as PNG, JPEG, and all those options. So save as Kilimo Coffee project, and then save. Okay, thank you. So that's how we can save. That's how we can design generated images with Pixlr. Thank you very much.